video for the Ogden Wall Avenue listing. Again, we are at the intersection of Wall Avenue and 20th. Pretty busy intersection with big lanes. Mostly industrial, retail along the wall side. And then on obviously the northwest side is Walmart. And then more apartments north of that. So this is the lot. One building on it right now. The east side is paved and finished. The west side used to have that silo-looking building that is now gone. Okay, walking up to the property, the parking lot is in decent shape. Probably just need another go over. I took some photos of the inside. The inside looks good. No one seems to be living in it. There is this door that will that is probably the way we'll get in. We just need to get key to that lock or get a locksmith to come change it out. Okay, someone probably tried to borrow some power, but this meter or this switchboard is the only thing I could find on the outside. I believe that's the only power supply. Have a photo of the inside. This is just on off right now, but there the amperage shows 125. Example of what it looks like inside. Okay, the photos will probably do a better job. Couple steps, so parking 1, 2, and then a ramp, and then a truck well, and then 1, 2, 3 more on the other side. These axes are currently boarded up. This one is a screw, and then these are boarded up from the inside to the outside. Screws as well. Okay, any sign of someone else maybe here, but probably not so regularly. This was open with a couple of stairs or ladder to climb down. People drop trash into it, or trash just get blown into it. Try moving this. This is super heavy. Okay, keep on walking around. The outside paint looks decent. Just open field right now with different gravel and some patches of concrete. We are on the west side. This is not a straight line, so it's the diagonal part. Door, roll-up door with about a 3-foot, 2-foot clearance. Gated all along the south side with a couple of gates that can open. These are currently secured to the ground right now. Okay. But then the one next to it is currently open. This one. And then over here, the big roll-up door for the back delivery. That looks to be a air conditioning or swamp unit that is gone. Okay. At the intersection of Wall and Rushton, the south side neighbor is a roofing company. And walking alongside the outside on the east, this would be on Wall Ave. Still decent. I mean, someone put a hole in the chain link fence so they could just walk around. And I believe that's a government building. And this is around about 1 o'clock midday on a Friday, so this intersection is indeed super busy. Okay, that's the wrap around. I'll send the photos for more details in front of you. Okay.